sound characteristic and purposes. Things or items that people use are elements of sound design, such as dialogue are conversations, speech, and voiceover. Sound effects are sounds other than dialogue or music. Music can be taken from vocal or instrumental sounds to create harmony, form, and evoke emotions. Silence means the non-existence of music or conversation. The methods for blending various elements items are known as principles of sound design, like mixing gives balance, blend, and regulation of various sound features. Pace gives time management, ability to edit, and provide sequencing such as linear, not linear, or multilinear.
So that's it for audio and information and media. Thank you for listening and watching.